Hey friends, welcome back to my channel MSI Recipes. In today's video, I will teach you how to make authentic Goan shevyu. Shevyu are steamed rice noodles served along with coconut and jaggery mixture, called as tsun. It is mostly served as evening tea time snacks. Let's begin by preparing tsun or coconut and jaggery mixture. For that, take 2 large grated coconut in a container and add 200 gram jaggery. Now make sure that you mix both well until jaggery and coconut is combined. Once you can see that jaggery and coconut is combined well, you can saute this mixture for some time on a high flame, and once it's ready, turn off the flame and place it in another container. Your jaggery coconut mixture must look like this. Now let's move towards the next step. To make rice noodles, we need 450 grams of rice or 2 cups, and rice must be soaked over 4 hours before grinding. After grinding, you need to put it in a steel vessel. Now add about 1/4 amount of water in a bigger vessel and then place a small container or a stand. After that, place your steel container with batter. You can use steamer as well to make rice cakes. In this recipe, I haven't used steamer because I wanted to show you all how to make rice cake in a vessel. To make a perfect rice cake, you need to steam it over a high flame for about 15 to 20 minutes. So our rice cake is ready and I am ready to make shevyu or noodles out of it. So let's move towards interesting part of making noodles. To make noodles, you need to have a pressing machine or a noodles making machine. To make shevyu or rice noodles, take small pieces of rice cake and put it in a pressing machine or a noodle making machine. I have used here is a traditional rotating machine. You can also use a hand machine which is easily available in the market. As you make noodles, you need to rotate the plate so that you don't break the chain. And since I learned this recipe from my mother, I handed over this noodle making or shevyu making process to her, and she is perfectionist at it. So you can see that our beautiful noodles are ready. You can now repeat the process and make some more noodles. And it's time to mix rice noodles or shevyu along with jaggery coconut mixture or tsun. Finally, our Goan shevyu or rice noodles are ready. I decided to put up this recipe as nowadays we rarely get to see or even taste these types of snack. So do try it out and do not let our traditional food to fade away. Thanks for watching. And if you like this video, then please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes if you haven't done it yet.